Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of this new zebra pet and grow garden game of Roblox Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the zebra looks like, and if you want to get zebra, you need to earn the Safari egg first, and you can have 25% possibility to get the zebra pet from the Safari egg. Okay, and now I'm going to place the zebra on my garden, and let's check the ability of the zebra. Okay, I'm going to view the ability, and basically guys, the zebra can give you reward from the gear shop or from the seed shop, and it works every 30 minutes. And yeah, I think it's good enough, but you need to wait for about 30 minutes to get the reward from the gear shop or the seed shop. So you will get item from the shop, and I think it's not really worth to keep on your garden, but if you have a lot of slots you can keep it, and it can give you rare rewards maybe, but of course the possibility is so small or it's so rare. Okay guys, and that's all about the zebra pet and grow a garden game of Roblox Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.